Welcome back, developers. Looking for the best shortcuts and the most powerful dev tools? You're in the right place. In this video, we cover the top 7 trending open source dev tools this week that are simplifying everything from terminal AI to file management. If you want instant productivity hacks, beautiful UIs, and full control over your data, this list is essential. Every project link is below. Don't miss Gollama. It's the TUI manager for all your local LLMs. Let's dive in.
Welcome back to ManuAGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Handy. Offline, private, one shortcut, speech-to-text for everyone. Let's dive into the powerful GitHub project, Handy, a free open-source cross-platform speech-to-text app that runs completely offline so your voice never leaves your device. Built with Tari using Rust and React TypeScript, Handy focuses on simplicity and privacy. You press a global shortcut, speak, and your words instantly appear in any text field, whether it's a browser, editor, chat app, or document, without sending audio to cloud services. It supports multiple local models, so you can balance accuracy and performance based on your hardware, making it usable on everyday machines while still delivering fast, reliable transcription. Handy is also extensible, providing a plugin-like architecture and configuration options, so developers and power users can integrate custom models, keybinds, and workflows into their own setup. With active development, frequent releases, and an MIT license, it stands out as a practical tool for creators, developers, and professionals who want instant speech-to-text control, full data ownership, and a smooth typing-free experience across all their apps. Project number 2, Social Analyzer, one tool to track a digital footprint across the internet. Let's dive into the another powerful GitHub project, Social Analyzer, an open-source OSINT tool that helps you find and analyze a person's public profiles across hundreds of social networks and websites using just a name, username, email, or keyword. It combines multiple techniques: HTTP requests, automated browsers, and intelligent string analysis to check many platforms in parallel, generate permutations, and avoid missing results that simple manual searches would overlook. What makes it stand out is its layered detection system with normal checks, advanced rules, OCR for text and images, and special logic for platforms like Facebook, Gmail, and Google, plus rich metadata extraction, such as profile info, links, patterns, and behavior signals that help you understand whether a profile is real, related, or suspicious. It offers an API, CLI, and web app interface, supports Python and Node, JS, runs locally or via Docker, and can visualize connections using graphs, making it useful for security researchers, investigators, brand teams, and anyone who needs a structured, automated way to map online identities without building their own scanning engine from scratch. Project number 3, ggml, high-performance AI tensor engine for edge and local inference. Let's dive into the next powerful GitHub project, ggml, a low-level C++ tensor library built specifically to run modern AI models efficiently on everyday hardware, from laptops and desktops to edge devices, without heavy dependencies. ggml focuses on fast inference first. It's cross-platform, written for tight memory control, supports multi-threading, automatic differentiation, and comes with advanced integer quantization, so large models can be compressed into small, fast, on-device versions, while still performing well. It is the core engine behind popular projects like Llama.cpp and Whisper.cpp, which rely on ggml's optimized kernels and gguf-based model formats to deliver real-time language and audio models locally instead of in the cloud. With zero runtime allocations, no third-party dependencies, and broad hardware backend support, ggml gives developers a clean, battle-tested foundation to build their own AI runtimes, custom model loaders, or on-prem solutions where performance, portability, and data privacy really matter. Project number 4, Files, modern fluent file manager for Windows. Let's dive into the next powerful GitHub project, Files, a modern, beautifully designed file manager built by the open source community to be a smarter, smoother alternative to the default Windows File Explorer. Files brings a clean Windows 11 style fluent UI with tabs, dual pane view, column view, and rich layout options, so you can work across multiple folders without clutter or confusion. It supports deep integrations like OneDrive and other cloud services, quick access to drives and network locations, file and folder tagging with colors for better organization, and powerful search, preview, and archive support for formats like zip, 7z, and rar directly inside the app. Built with WinApp SDK and C#, it focuses on performance and usability, and the community actively ships improvements, translations, and fixes while keeping everything open under the MIT license, so anyone can contribute or customize. With a stable release on the Microsoft Store plus an insider preview for early features, Files stands out as a serious, user-friendly upgrade for Windows users who want a modern file manager experience with productivity features that feel native, fast, and thoughtfully designed. Project number 5. TouchNet, lightweight multimodal LLM training at scale. Let's dive into the next powerful GitHub project, TouchNet, a PyTorch native training library designed specifically for large-scale multimodal LLMs, especially text and audio models, without the heavy complexity of traditional frameworks. Inspired by Torch Titan, but tuned for multimodal needs, TouchNet gives you a blazing fast, checkpointable data loader with its own optimized storage format and smart sequence packing using flex attention, so huge datasets in tar files can be streamed and shuffled efficiently. It integrates directly with Hugging Face Transformers models, while keeping all training logic in a single transparent train. Pi letting you fully control and customize your training pipeline instead of fighting against abstract trainer classes. A major strength is its built-in diagnostics, CPU, GPU, memory profilers, NSYS-like timeline, and memory monitors are included out of the box to track throughput, TFLOPS utilization, and catch OEM issues early, making performance tuning part of the workflow instead of an afterthought. TouchNet also supports ND parallelism, FSDP2, tensor parallelism, context parallelism, and upcoming pipeline parallel through native PyTorch APIs with minimal code changes, so you can scale from a few GPUs to serious distributed clusters while staying close to standard tooling. With support for tasks like text pre-training, audio pre-training, ASR fine-tuning, Apache 2.0 licensing, and an actively evolving codebase, TouchNet stands out as a clean, pragmatic choice for researchers and engineers who want to train modern multimodal models at scale with full visibility and control. Project number 6. Pattern Craft, free modern background patterns and gradients for instant UI glow. Let's dive into the next powerful GitHub project, Pattern Craft, a free open-source library by Meg Bari that gives developers and designers 200-plus handcrafted background patterns and gradients they can instantly drop into modern interfaces without touching complex design tools. Pattern Craft focuses on real-world use. You browse a clean gallery, live preview each pattern, and copy production-ready JSX plus Tailwind CSS snippets in one click, so your hero sections, dashboards, cards, and landing pages get a premium visual upgrade in seconds. Everything is built with Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind, optimized for React, Next.js, and other component-driven frontends, with responsive layouts, zero third-party CSS dependencies, categories for quick discovery, and a favorites feature to save the styles you love for later. Backed by Vercel and actively maintained, Pattern Craft stands out from generic copy-paste gradient sites by offering a polished, developer-first experience. Opinionated but flexible patterns that look sharp, load fast, and help you ship beautiful UIs without hiring a designer or reinventing backgrounds from scratch. Project number 7, Gollama, fast visual model manager for Ollama and LM Studio. Let's dive into the last powerful GitHub project, Gollama, a macOS and Linux TUI tool that makes managing local Ollama models simple, visual, and fast, instead of typing long commands or hunting through folders. Gollama shows all your models in one interactive interface, where you can list, search, sort by size, family, quantization, or last modified, and instantly see key metadata so you know what's actually taking space on your machine. With a few key presses, you can run or unload models, inspect details, edit model files, delete unused models, copy or rename them, estimate VRAM usage, and even push models to registries or sync them across remote hosts, turning model housekeeping into a smooth workflow instead of a chore. One of its standout features is deep integration with LM Studio, including bidirectional syncing and experimental tools to link or create Ollama models from LM Studio models, so your local AI ecosystem stays in sync without manual hacks. It's written in Go, open-sourced under the MIT license, easy to install via Go, curl, Homebrew, or Linux packages, and actively maintained, making Gollama a practical must-have if you are serious about running and organizing many local LLMs on your own hardware. That was a great collection of tools. Which one are you adding to your workflow right now? Handy for typing with your voice, files for a better Windows experience, or pattern craft for instant UI glow? Let me know your top pick in the comments below. Don't miss the next round of open source trends. Hit that subscribe button now and join our dev community to keep your toolkit sharp. See you next time.